I need a day off from real life. This is real life. Maybe I should rephrase that. I need to remember what real life is. This is it. There's a deer way up there. So anyway, I'm taking a day to myself here and just enjoying the scenery. Deer, squirrels. I'm not even halfway done with the hike yet, so hopefully I'll see more wildlife. Pretty sure I will on the other side. Whew. All right, here comes the sunny part again. Take a last drink of water and enjoy the shade. It's hard to get away from it all sometimes. I always say, go hiking, get away from it all. De-stress, and that's helping, but if nothing else, the things that are bothering you, maybe you can work them out better when you're out here hiking, rather than sitting on your couch or sitting at your computer worrying about it. Just get a different perspective on it, and maybe you can figure it out here. But there's nothing really for me to figure out. I'm waiting for people to do stuff, trying to get appointments for this, waiting to go to an appointment for that. Some days it obviously helps to be actively pursuing that, and then some days you're kind of at the mercy of waiting for people to get back to you and find out what they need to tell you. But tomorrow I'll go back to being proactive, and I just, no matter what the time constraint is on something, you need time for yourself. I mean, if someone's lying there bleeding, and I'm not going to say, hey, I'll get back to you tomorrow, but, in most cases, taking a day off is not going to kill you. So anyway, hopefully further on down the trail, I'll find some more deer, maybe even a mountain lion, who knows? I haven't come across one of those yet. Good old San Jose. It's waiting for me down there. Waiting to ruin my day, or at least try. I came this way hoping I'd see some deer like last time. Dude, that deer was like 15 feet away from me. Seriously, she walked towards me when I had the camera off. Look at that little one. Hi, little guy. They're all little. Little. Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone. Bye-bye. What are you doing, turkey? Sorry, bud, I gotta walk by. She's trying to shoo him away. Hi. Alright. Another hike complete. Got a lot of deer today. I see two. Oh, where'd they go? Right here in the parking lot. They're not afraid of people here, obviously. I mean, God, a couple of them let me walk almost right up to them. I think the mom on one of them was like trying to nudge one away, like, hey, get out of here, guys. All right, anyway, that's it. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for joining me. Hope you like this video. Go outside and play. It's a lot of fun.